In cEnerprise module, the inventory module keep tracks of the item stock. We can create various warehouses, and item master can be created in the item and service master, item grouping, item enhanced properties also can be specified. So opening stock can be entered in the opening stock entry screen. So the various opening stock for the items can be updated. This is a one-time process for the financial year. We can update the opening stock. Purchase can be managed in the purchase screen. Basic purchase flow are purchase plan, purchase intent, purchase quotation, purchase order, interstate, and import. Then if item delivery schedule is required, we can create the item delivery schedule. Then material receipt, material inspection, and purchase bill posting. Purchase order can be prepared in the purchase order screen. We can select the supplier and create the purchase order. And we can set the basic details about the purchase order, part number, purchase quantity, purchase rate, and amount. All these details can be updated. Also, supplier-wise rates can be updated in the supplier-wise rate screen. So that based on that one, the rate will be picked up in the purchase order. So GRN can be updated in the material receipt note. Material receipt note, based on the purchase order, we can prepare the receipt note. Receipt note, what is the received quantity will be updated, and in the inspection and acceptance, material inspection details will be updated. So material inspection can be multiple batch or single batch. So we can select the material receipt note and prepare the material inspection details. Here the accepted quantity and rejected quantity and other quality parameters also can be monitored. So once the inspection is completed, item will be updated in the item inventory stock. Once the inspection is over, we can post the bill to the accounts. Material invoice, purchase invoice, bill posting can be done, so that accounts payable will be updated it in the finance. Stock reports can be viewed in the inventory, stock reports, stock ledger and summary. Detailed ledger can be viewed in the stock ledger, stock register summary, and other reports, stock as on date, aging reports, stock warehouse wise, reorder items. All these reports can be generated based on the requirements. Similarly, stock valuation also can be done based on the family group wise, item wise, or item account wise. Comprehensive inventory module keep track of the stock of the item. Next, we will see the finance module. Finance module, we can create the financial year period, accounting period, planned wise period also can be maintained. And the basic account group can be created it in the account group screen. Liability, income, expenditure, and assets. And subgroups can be created it in the asset group list. Ledger master is created it in the account heads. The various types of accounts are bank, cash, bank OD, ledger, supplier, customer, tax ledgers, TDS ledgers, item accounts, and other accounts. We can create the new ledger in the ledger screen. All the details of the ledger can be updated. Ledger name, group, filter type, share with other companies and plans. Cost center-wise entry is mandatory or optional. TDS details, TDS, whether it is a TDS ledger or TDS on receipt or payment is required. GST details can be updated for the ledger account. Similarly, vendor accounts, supplier and customer also can be created from finance module also. We can view the chart of accounts in the chart of accounts screen. Here, group wise, ledger wise details will be visible as per the tree structure. To enter the transaction, we have to create the voucher type definition. The basic voucher types are receipts, payment, purchase, sales, journal, debit note, credit note, and contra entry. For each of the voucher, we can create multiple document types. For example, receipts, we can create bank receipts and cash receipts. For payments also, we can create different type of books such as bank payments and cash payment. For each of these voucher, we can set the properties or configurable properties can be set. Caution is required, narration is required, delete option, journal type option. So all this configurations can be set for the voucher types. And financial year wise, serial numbering also is possible in the document serial number option. We can click the link button and we can generate the serial number sequences with the prefix and suffixes as per the company norms in the different document types. So once a voucher type definition is created, we can go to the transactions. So it will be available in the dashboard itself, receipts, payment, purchase, sales, journal, or we can also navigate through the menu transactions, accounting vouchers. So receipts can be updated in the receipts voucher screen. To enter a new receipt, we have to click the receipts. We have to select the document definition, bank receipts or cash receipts. Click the add button. Select the bank and select the customer. And bill breakup, if it is required, we can select it, the bill breakup also. Based on that one, we can update the voucher. To view the voucher, we can click the list button. We can select the date range and we can select the voucher and view the other details of the voucher. Similarly, other receipts, other vouchers also can be created. Receipts, payment, purchase, sales, journal, credit note, and debit note. Other options are inventory vouchers, TDS challan, banking, reconciliation, miscellaneous input for monthly transaction, monthly trial balance and temporary journal, bill matching, and budgeting. To view the reports, we can go to view and reports. Here, daybook. Select the date, all the transactions which is ended for the particular day will be appearing. Opening balance, we can view it in the opening balance screen. Account opening balance. To enter the opening balance, as per the settings for the financial year beginning, we have to go to the opening balance and stock screen and enter the opening balance for the start year. So while installing and configuring the software, for the first year, we have to update the opening balance. Next year onwards, system will carry forward the trial balance to the next financial year and opening balances will be kept track automatically. So other reports are bank and cash report, party ledgers, trial balance, account name wise, group name wise, and group tree wise, P&L, balance sheet, tax and GST, aging reports, and custom reports. In addition to that, we can configure the analysis reports and graph report also. This is as per the specifications and group summary values. We can create the reports. So this is about the finance module. Dashboard will display the income and expenses, P&L, yearly sales order, yearly sales invoices, purchase order details, and other informations. Thank you for watching the cEnerprise demo.